I've spent more than $10,000 on self-improvement, and these are the top 5 that paid off. Number 1, I paid $100 and turned it into $6,000 with this investment. Billie Jean's Never Go Broke Again. It's a marketing program that teaches you how to do marketing and get clients. Using all of the skills from that program, I was able to get one customer, and I made $6,000 off of that one customer with only a $100 investment. It was simple, it was easy, it was quick, and it worked. One of the best 5 investments I've made in myself. Do you have any marketing programs that you recommend? If so, let me know. Number 2 is also by Billie Jean's marketing, his AI agency Accelerator. I invested in Billie Jean's AI agency Accelerator. In it, I learned how to use artificial intelligence to do a lot of the marketing for businesses. You can get money in exchange for a lot of the automations that set it and forget it, and with that you can make a lot of money with it. I ended up taking this program and then I used it to get a job that pays me $25,000 more than I would have got paid without the skills that I learned in the program. And this is per year. So every year I'm gonna be gaining $25,000 more than I would have if I didn't have the skills. So I really like this investment because it's recurring payout that I'm getting from the skills that I learned through this program. And I only paid one time for it, and then boom, you know, I'm good after that. Would you like to use AI for your business? Let me know if you're already doing it or what you would like it to do for your business. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. Number 3, My Automated Money System by Ramit Sethi. In his book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. In this book, he teaches you how to create an automated money system so you can save and invest on autopilot. By investing $12 into this book that taught me that system, I have now saved and invested more than $100,000, which is a great ROI on a $12 investment. It's set it and forget it, so I set it up once and I haven't had to think about it in multiple years. And it's freed up a lot of my time as well as helped me invest. Yeah, the best $12 investment I could have made was in myself, and it definitely paid off. If you have any systems that you're using in your life to help you level up systematically, let me know what they are. I would love to implement some of these into my life as well. The thing I really love about this money system is that it uses 2 key things: systems, so it's set it and forget it and it does it automatically, and compound interest. Because you're investing, the money is growing at a compounded rate, which makes it easier and easier to make more money over time. I love compound interest, and I try to use it in every area of my life, including my finances, my relationships, my network, my skill set. For these reasons, I recommend you check out I Will Teach You How to Be Rich and implement the automated money system from that book. And now some bonuses. Now these next few, I couldn't figure out how to put my return on investment. It wasn't something that has a clear-cut number to it like the others did. But just because I can't put the results into financial terms does not devaluate the results that I've gotten from it. Number 4, Life Book by John and Missy Butcher. I spent $500 on a program that teaches me how to create a life vision and get ultra specific about what I want in 12 categories of my life. I then focus on one category per month and systematically level up using this approach. John and Missy Butcher created something called Life Book, and it has been one of the best investments that I've made in myself. It's allowed me to gain clarity on what direction I want to go, how I'm gonna get there, and then create systems behind it to achieve your dream life. Do you have a goal-setting system that you think I would benefit from? If so, let me know what it is. I would love to implement that into my life as well, and I'll test it and maybe share it with others so we can all learn together. Number 5, Hypnotherapy for Abundance by Marissa Peer. In it, she rewires a lot of your thoughts and beliefs around money. One example is that she asks you to recall what was said about money as you were growing up. Was it things like money doesn't grow on trees or we can't afford that? Or was it things like money is abundant and you can have whatever you want? Depending on how you're raised, it can really influence your mindset about this. So what Marissa Peer does is use hypnosis to rewire a lot of these beliefs. One of the exercises she does is put you under hypnosis and then takes you back to your childhood and asks you to recall what you remember being said about money. If they're negative beliefs, she has you then tell that person who gave you that belief that you don't believe. You choose not to accept that belief, and then you give that belief back to them, and then you leave. Very awesome exercises like this inside of Marissa Peer's Hypnotherapy for Abundance course. I can't put a dollar amount on how much money it's made me, but it definitely changed my mindset and my beliefs around money, and it's allowed me to accept more money. So I highly recommend it. Have you ever tried hypnosis hypnosis for self-improvement? If so, what was it and how did it go? Would you recommend it? Let me know. After spending more than $10,000 on self-improvement, these have been the top 5 that have paid off for me. If you're into self-improvement in business, then subscribe, follow me for more informative videos like this from the Learn Together podcast, because when we learn together, we grow together. Peace.